Hello everyone, I am in my backyard at my raised bed and I see something that is kind of bizarre to me. Some of my peas are actually ready. So what I think I'm going to do is go ahead and pick them and I'll put them in a little small freezer bag. And as time goes on and I get more, I'll just add them to the bag. See these right here? That's ready. And this one up in here, and it didn't even fully develop all the way through to maturity, but I don't know why. We'll go ahead and pick that. Here's one. Bok Choy. Look at that bug in there. I don't know why I get scared when they get in the house, but shake your Bok Choy. Make sure there are no bugs on it. And put it in your bowl.